Welcome to Overlow Farm, a haven of natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of Mhondoro-Ngezi, Zimbabwe. Here amidst the rolling landscapes and the golden sunset, the symphony of farm life unfolds in a harmonious rhythm, painting a captivating portrait of rural tranquility. As the sun bathes the farm in its warm embrace, the cattle, magnificent creatures, with their regal presence, graze upon the fertile pastures. Their sleek, muscular forms harmonize with the vibrant woos of African savanna as they roam freely, their gentle moves echoing through the open fields. In their eyes you will see the wisdom and resilience of generations, a testament to the symbiotic bonds between humans and animals. Amidst the grazing cattle, a herd of goats navigates the rugged terrain with grace and agility. Their nimble woos dance upon the rocky landscape, their inquisitive eyes exploring every crevice. The goats' playful antics and their melodic bleats infuse the air with a sense of joy, reminding us of the freedom and curiosity that resides within the soul of every living being. In the backdrop, a chorus of clucks rises from the chicken coops, the vibrant feathers of the chickens displaying a tapestry of colors, blend with the earthy tones of their surrounding. As they scratch the soil with pebbles, they uncover hidden treasures of insects, grubs, contributing to the farm's ecological balance. Their cheerful clucking resonates, symbolizing the simple joys of farm life, the integral role these feathered friends play in sustaining this cycle of life. Stretching across the field, rows of crops stand tall, nurtured by the skillful hands of our farmers. The last green leaves of maize sway gracefully, celebrating the rich traditions of agriculture deep-rooted in Zimbabwean soil. The secret scent of sun-ribbed tomatoes fills the air, while kale and other leafy greens wave the rhythm of the gentle breeze. Each plant represents a promise of sustenance, a testament to the farmer's labor and the resilience of the land. In this embrace of nature's bounty, the farmer becomes the tapestry of life's interconnectedness. The cattle, goats, chickens, and crops thrive together, their existence interwoven in a delicate balance. The farmer, a custodian of this divine symphony, works tirelessly, their hands bearing the imprints of dedication and resilience. They embody the spirit of Ubuntu, recognizing the well-being of the land, the animals, and the community are intertwined in a sacred bond. In the corner of Mhondoro-Ngezi, Overlow Farm stands as a beacon of inspiration. It reminds us to cherish the beauty of simplicity, to honor the land that sustains us, and to cultivate harmony between humankind and the natural world. The beauty of this farm, with its cattle grazing, goats sleeping, chicken clucking, and crop growing, reflects the soul of Zimbabwe, an enduring spirit that finds solace and strength in nurturing embrace of the earth. Thank you to our subscribers. Thank you for returning, and thank you for staying with us. To those who have just tuned in today, we ask you to subscribe if you feel like, and please leave your comments and tell us where you're watching from. It is important and paramount that we continue to share the things that we do on the farm, as it represents the cycle of life.
livestock pakaipa mudara, nedzimwe dziri kubereka nedzimwe dziri kusvodza. Tine mbudzi yamakatenga yakauya nemwana waine, ndo yakasvodza. Iyi yakauya isina mwana, yaane mwana waine. Iyi iri panapa ndo yasvodza. Saka taitirita hedu ne panapa ine mwana waine akaberekwa musi wa13 July. Musi weFriday 14 July. Pakaipa mudara. Dzimwe dzacho dzikuita dzichitisiya. Pane imwe ine mwana afa wewe, amai vacho vanga vane mota pazamu, saka inge isingachabuditse mukaka. Ndiyo yakamira nepasaidi petaya apa, inge isisabuditse mukaka, yaibuditsa mvura. Saka takaatenda mota racho inenge yanani.